Dear customers and friends, today I am going to show you about our company, Guangzhou SinJet and Guangzhou YuanDun. They both are our companies. This is our meeting room. Usually our engineers and technicians discuss about the new products and technology problems here. We have many certifications for our HUD product. This is the office of our R&D department. Most of our engineers have 5 to 10 years experience in research of car HUD products. We have many testing equipments to test the hardware and softwares. This is our aging room. All our car HUD need to be taken 72 hours aging test before shipping. And this is temperature testing machine. This is the warehouse of finished goods. As you see, we supply a lot of HUD for Mazda Motor Company. This is our marketing center. Our marketer, designer and sales work hard for China domestic and international market.
This is Lambo from Guangzhou YuanDun company. Our company is professional manufacturer of car HUD heads-up display in China. Mazda Motor is our client. We offer good products and best service for all customers. Welcome to contact us for more information. Looking forward to doing business with you. Thank you.